Yeah, my volume wasn't on. I just did all of that and my volume wasn't, I mean, my microphone wasn't on. That's the only thing about having this microphone, which I don't know. I guess I might do like an equipment video so you guys can see what my new setup and stuff like that is like. So anyways, in today's video, we're going to do a red carpet look. I just realized the drawer was open back there too. So, hey, I'm flawed. It's cool. Oh my God, my face is a little red. I shaved my face, y'all. I shaved my face. Weird, right? I think I'm gonna do my brows off camera. Let's do that. So I'm gonna go into the Melt Cosmetics Rust palette and use Antique. So we're gonna go in with Antique, and I am going to use this as my transition here. So now I'm going to take this M433 by Morphe, and I'm going to go in with Classic. And we are going to tap. Classic is kind of light. I don't know. Classic kind of light though. I don't like that. Classic is kind of light. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. I think what I'm going to do is put Antique. I think I'm going to put Antique all over the lid and then build color from there, because like build shadow from there, you know, from light to dark, because Antique is just a little too light for me, to be honest with you. It looks almost white, and I mean, I'm light, but I ain't that light. Okay, we are going to begin deepening the crease. Okay, I kind of think that was a good idea. All right. But now there's this technique that I saw a couple of people using where instead of following the shape of the eye like that, and supposedly this is what the red carpet look is like, they keep it up here. So like into the eye socket almost. It's kind of weird. I'm gonna turn this way, so let me see what I can do here. So maybe you guys can see me. Okay, so we're going to maybe come here. I don't know if that's the way that they do it. I feel like that's not it. I feel like that's not it. I feel like I'm doing this incorrectly. I feel like I just messed this eye up. All right, let's diffuse this. I don't know, did I mess it up? I don't think I did. I hope I didn't, because I really don't feel like doing this over, to be honest with you. Y'all, I haven't done my makeup in, I think I just messed this up. Oh my God. I haven't done my makeup in so long until I feel like I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest with you. I really feel like I don't know what I'm doing. So let's come back. I know y'all probably like, wait, how are you doing that? How are you moving your camera from side to side like that? So now I'm going to go in with Mar. Mar is a little bit darker. So this is Rust. Okay. So this is Rust. This is Mar. Rust, Mar. So Mar is a little bit deeper. I'm going to take that same M506 brush and go into Mar and start to, yeah, that's definitely going to work. And start to deepen that up just a little bit. Now in the photo, it looks like it's black, but I don't know if I want to do black. I might just do like brown. I might keep it brown, you know. Look at that. Ooh. You see how that did that? Whew. I like it when that happens. So, right in the middle of me doing this, my my camera stopped recording. It said that it ran out of space. So I don't know what it is, but I feel like the universe don't want me to make this tutorial. What was I? So yeah, I'm going to do like a brown version of this. I think in the photo there she has like this metallic. Is it metallic? Let's see. Nope, doesn't look it. Okay, doesn't look it. So we're not gonna do metallic. I don't know. I might be feeling a little froggy. You know what I'm saying? I might do some metallic, but I think I'm gonna take this M515, and this is like a little pencil smudge brush type of deal going on. And I'm going to go in with, so there's Rot and then there's Rot 2. Rot 2 is actually a Rot squared. I don't know. I don't know which one it is. But let me just show y'all the difference between the two. This is Rot and then this is, yeah, you can see the difference. Rot and Rot squared. It literally says Rot. Oh, come on, thing. Can you focus, please? Thank you. It literally says Rot squared. So, I don't know. But here's Rot, the original from the Rust stack. And then this is Rot square. So, Rot square is darker, right? So, I don't know. Let's try it out. I mean, in the photo, it's black. But let's go with Rot square and see. Because Rot square is pretty dark. Okay. I just don't know if it's going to, it's like, should I go ahead and do, should I do a one? I don't know. This is going to be hard. All right. I've never done this before. But when you use it, it looks like eyeliner though. I mean, it's kind of dope that it looks like eyeliner, but is that starting to look like? I wonder how long it takes for them to like do the celebrities' makeup and stuff. If you guys are wondering why I hold this part of my nose when I do like my liner and stuff, it is because I have these tucks in the tear ducts of my eyes. So like that's why you rarely see me do inner tear duct highlights and stuff, because technically I don't have the, technically I don't have the, on this side I could probably pull it off, but on this side no. So I don't usually do the whole inner tear duct highlight thing going on there, okay? And I definitely have something that I want to show y'all. Because I know if you guys remember, I had my lips done a while back, and yeah, my lips are back to its normal size now. This is why I suggest that if you're going to get fillers, to please make sure you do your research, because I did not know that the fillers did not last that long. Okay, they only lasted for about, I don't know, like 4 months, 4.5 months or so, and that was it. And so I ended up going back to get them done again, and then once again they only lasted for, because I was like, oh, I want them to be a little bit bigger, but I didn't realize that they dissolved. Like I didn't realize that they dissolved, and they dissolved very quickly. I think they're supposed to last like 6 months, but I was like working out and stuff like that, so they dissolved a little bit faster. So I was like, yeah, I'm not about to spend. Ooh, she snatched. I was like, I'm not about to spend, you know, another couple $100 to get my lips done again. Like, I'm gonna have to find another alternative, because it was really annoying me that I was gonna have to continue getting them done. And I was using Juvederm, you know. I mean, yeah, it just wasn't, it was a no bueno for me. So yeah, your girl was like, we gonna have to find a different alternative, because we're not about to keep spending money on something that's gonna only last for a couple of months, especially since you are working out. Should I put a little bit of shimmer? Just a teaspoon of shimmer makes the medicine go down. I don't know. Do I want to do it? I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I'll do a little bit. Not a lot. Like, I don't want it to overpower the... I mean, I guess. I don't want to do too much, because then it's going to turn into super glam red carpet. I swear something doesn't want me to film this tutorial. My God. So I ran out of my color corrector. And so I went to Ulta and Sephora to try to find a color corrector. And it just seems like everybody and their mama didn't have a color corrector. Or everybody and their mama was using a color corrector, so they didn't have any. I typically use orange to, you know, the under eyes and stuff like that. However, they didn't even have orange. So I ended up having to get True Red. And this is the Stay Naked color corrector. Come on, there it is. So this is like the True Red color corrector from Urban Decay. And when I tell you it is like red, like pimp, it's red, like reddish orange, and you can dang near use it as lipstick. That's how red it is. Look at that. Look how red that is. That's a lot. It's literally red. It's literally red. But this is supposed to be a color corrector. I got a color corrector under my eyes though. Because that's the only, look at that. That is red. That is like very red. Look at that. I don't know. I don't know. I'm a little nervous about this. I look like I'm going to a Halloween party. And I'm almost out of this foundation too, so good thing I have another one. So yeah, I'm telling y'all, it better cover it. I'm about to be so upset if it don't. And it don't look like it is. Look at that. It's got my foundation. It's got my foundation red. I don't know if this gonna work. This is bad. Like, you know how much foundation I would have to put on in order to, look at that. It is red. No ma'am. No ma'am. Oh, I don't think so, baby. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, sweetheart. No ma'am. No ma'am. I'm about to take this bullshit off my face. No ma'am. No. I'm about to take this shit off my face. And no. Ain't no way in hell. Who uses this? Who color corrects with red like that? And then it looks like it stains. No. No. I have something else. I have this what this is, LA Girl Pro Concealer. I have that. The last time I used LA Girl Pro Concealer, it no. 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 You will not. Who? I had to get that off my face. Okay? Y'all will not play me. I don't think so. So I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. And hopefully that worked. If not, I'm going to be scraping. I'm going to be scraping something out of one of them pans to get the color correction going. I think this is fine. This is the final look. Let me give y'all a little bit of, hold on, let's see if I can do it. I'm gonna have to show you guys like my setup so I can give you guys a little bit of movement here, you know, so that you can see how it looks from side to side, you know. So anyways, yeah, we're not gonna keep playing with this thing. So yeah, it's been real. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a homie about it. Yeah, red carpet glam-ish vibes, kinda. What you think? Yeah. So anyways, I will catch y'all on the flip side. Peace out.